All right, what I have here is a Hopkins Allen 38 Smith & Wesson top brake. It's from the first 38s they made. This is a first model made in the first year of production in 1885. The serial number is 1685. The cylinder, the barrel, and the frame are all serial number matching. It has the folding trigger on it, which is pretty cool. Seems to function really good. The ejector works. The only problem I had, I bought it, didn't discover it till after I got home, is that it works perfectly fine in single action. The lockup is good. Lockup is tight. Timing is good. So get some of that timing. Show the timing here. Timing is really good. Lockup is good. The only problem is it doesn't function in double action. It moves the cylinder, but it won't engage the hammer. Probably a simple fix for anyone who knows these guns at all. Like I said, it works great in single action. Extractor seems to work. The grips are original. They're in good shape. There's no cracks, no scratches, no repairs, no chips. Overall, the gun's in pretty good condition. There's no real deep pitting. It does have some oxidation along the rib here and on the cylinder and the flutes, which is standard. Some drag lines. I mean, this thing was made in 1885. Lettering is still real readable. It's crisp. You can still read it quite clearly. Check out the other side of it. You can see it's got some age marks, but not as cool as this hammer right here. The way it just, it retracts back when you pull the trigger. I guess that's so that when you pull it out, it doesn't get caught on any clothing or anything. Bore still has some rifling. There is some small pitting in it, but nothing I would call bad. You got to keep in mind, these were black powder guns when they were made. I have not shot this gun because I won't shoot a gun that doesn't function 100%. And, you know, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or fix it. This might be beyond my abilities. I don't know what taking these things apart entails, but if it's been my experience, I would say that the lifter has come loose on the inside of it because it is advancing the cylinder and it does work fine in single action. Lockup's good. Probably wouldn't be afraid to fire it in single action if I could load up some 38 Smith & Wesson in black powder. Sounds good. The action is actually pretty crisp. Half cock. Full cock. Latch is solid. I just thought I'd show you this old gun from 1885. It's an antique. You don't have to have an FFL to buy this or transfer it or send it. You know, in some states it's not legal, but you know, in free America, you can just mail this directly to the door. Well, thank you for checking this out.